This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Ripple yesterday. So Ripple, I observed setting up at the R3 Camarilla pivot, which would be at an area of premium, which would signal for me a potential selling opportunity in the premium area, and then an R3 to a potential S3 traverse. Um, let's go through a top-down analysis, and then I'll come up on the 15-minute and break down everything there. So here on the weekly, you can see this is the range that we're trading in currently. This being the current strong high, this being the current week low. We can see here that this was the previous strong low, but this candle here created a market structure shift that could signal a potential reversal to the short side here. Here on the 4-hour chart, we can see this is the current range, structural range that Ripple is trading in. We can see here quite a bit of displacement here in these candles, especially here with this elevated volume profile down here. This triggered a rejection where buyers step in and have been buying the price higher, and we can see here with this isolated pivot that buyers began to lose momentum, and sellers began to step in and sell Ripple off again. If we come up here to the 15-minute, I'll come in closer here. So this is a Fibonacci retracement tool, using this to try to get better entries here. But I'll walk you through ideally what I was seeing here. So here, this is a fair value gap. A fair value gap that was put in here. This is, here would be the open, or here, this volume bar here would be the open of the U.S. market. These yellow lines that you see here, this would be the opening structural range for Ripple at the market yesterday. And also at this line, even though you can't see it very well, this line covered up here, this is the R3 level from yesterday. This is the R3 Camarilla pivot level as well from yesterday. So we can see there's a market structure shift here. Actually, let's clear this. So this is the R3 level here. And then we get here, in this candle here, there's a market structure shift here. Then we get pulled back into this area, and here, this candle here is an order block. This candle here confirms the order block by closing below it. So now I would anticipate a test of this order block, which we get pulled back, and we get a test of this order block here, but price never goes above it. I take a few small entries up here. We get a sell-off here. We go sell-off back below this R3 level. Comes back up to test the level here. Fails. I actually moved my stop from up here to once we got below the R3 level again. I moved my stop to break even, which would have been about here. And then after continuation of the sell-off below the R3 level, I move my stop here above this current strong high that was set by the close of this candle here in relation to this price action. And then we have here a new crypto day kicks in here, a new crypto day. So with that, there's a new cam setting, and this is the new S3 level here. So we can see my new stop was never violated, and this was happening overnight. And then we get the remainder of the sell-off down here to the current S3 level today, where Ripple found support and has now been buying back up. So a little longer trade than I was planning on having, but still a profitable one. My risk was, I believe, $14 total. And if we come up, we can see, there's $17 here, $9 here, $11 here. So about 37, we're looking at about $37. So yeah, pretty good risk to reward here for this trade. But yeah, this was my trade yesterday on Ripple, and this is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.